My name is Peter Balouskas. I'm an attorney here with Mazzotti in the litigation department, and I primarily specialize in appeals and motion practice here. Oftentimes people think of lawyers as being in the courtroom, but there's a lot of behind the scenes work that takes place as well. From my perspective, is equally important as the trial experience, and that also plays a role in the success of achieving the best outcome for our clients. In my job for motions and appeals, in order to level the playing field for a client, obviously we have access to incredible amounts of research materials that allow me to take a deep dive into the issues. But we also have a significant amount of experienced lawyers within the firm that are always willing to help out with any experiences that they've had. And in that regard, we constantly bounce things off one another in order to achieve the best outcome for our clients. Oftentimes, I'm working behind the scenes dealing with legal issues, briefs, and motions. And while that may not necessarily be something that they are necessarily aware of, that is incredibly important to the outcome of their particular case. When you come here, you're getting a full comprehensive service, which is unique for a law firm. We handle things from the early stages in which the insurance companies are involved, whether it's a workers' compensation matter, all the way through if the case needs to be litigated. We handle it straight through, so we are a full comprehensive law firm. My free time is taken up primarily with my family, both my wife and my teenage daughter. My daughter participates in a lot of sports that we often are going to watch. So between those things, we're kept pretty busy. And when I can get enough time, we enjoy traveling and seeing different cultures. Culture here is important because it allows the people to be able to relate to their clients. You need to be able to do that so that you can best help them and understand what they're going through. They're not just a number here, and it is necessary so that we can help them both from a legal perspective, but in their difficult and trying and emotional times as well.